By being conceived on Kia's all-new, state-of-the-art electric global modular platform, a dedicated battery electric vehicle architecture, the EV6 delivers the very best characteristics and attributes of a fully electric car without compromise. While many other battery electric vehicles currently on the market struggle with shortcomings that are associated with being developed on architectures originally created for cars running on internal combustion engines, the EV6 has been optimized from the ground up to be a full electric vehicle from the very start, taking advantage of the electric global modular platform's sophisticated tech and engineering foundations. As a result, the EV6 blends excitement with efficiency, responsive dynamics with rapid charging and power and pace with zero-emissions driving. In true Kia form, the EV6 has been developed to continue Kia's sporty driving appeal, featuring direct steering responses, a highly agile ride, precise and linear performance and road grip that boosts the fun-to-drive ethos. During the latter parts of the EV6 development program, a lot of the testing and final stage optimization work was undertaken on public roads to make sure the end product successfully fused the different drive, ride and handling traits. The dedicated electric global modular platform architecture ensures that the EV6 benefits from optimal driving characteristics thanks in part to a balanced weight ratio split of 53:47, a leading arrangement for a battery electric vehicle application. This has been achieved by placing the cutting-edge flat battery pack across the floor of the vehicle, spreading the mass and helping to optimize ride quality. It also gives the EV6 a low center of gravity for a full electric vehicle, enabling superior performance especially on captivating and bendy roads. Based on a clean sheet design from the very start, the EV6 also overcomes other inherent drawbacks that challenge the ride and handling characteristics of many battery electric vehicles currently on the market, including overly aggressive acceleration pitching and throttle response. Highly innovative hydraulic bushings that connect the rear subframe to the main body of the car help to further enhance the EV6's driving performance and offsets the overall weight typically associated with fully electric vehicles. The EV6 performs optimally in different driving environments and situations thanks to its 4 advanced drive modes: Eco, Normal, Sport or Snow, which the driver can select by the touch of a button. Attributes such as torque mapping, steering, ESC and energy-consuming systems are managed by the vehicle's intelligent drive tech to provide the most suitable driving experience at all times. For all-wheel drive EV6 models, a disconnector actuator system always ensures a smooth transition between rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive modes without the need for manual switching. The rear acts as the main driveline with the front running when needed. The system automatically adapts depending on the driving conditions and driver input. In all-wheel drive mode, disconnector actuator system is connected to improve vehicle power and driving stability. The drive connection to the front wheels can be engaged or disengaged within 0.4 seconds by attaching and detaching the clutch on the drive axle using a motor-type actuator. By switching to rear-wheel drive mode, disconnector actuator system technology increases fuel efficiency by preventing the drag load of the front wheel PE system and at the same time enables more dynamic and sporty driving. Driving range can be improved by about 8% with this system. Further accentuating the EV6's favorable handling characteristics is a state-of-the-art damper setup that pairs a sporty drive with a level of comfort and refinement not usually associated with such agile cars. The new technology incorporates the usual damper and suspension components, but also adds an additional piston to adjust the amount of pressure on the ribbon disc stack, consequently allowing the ribbon damping force to be based on the input frequency. This allows the ribbon damping force to be adjusted dynamically based on the input frequency introduced into the damper by the unevenness of the road. This innovation delivers a solid and sporty ride at lower frequency inputs and a smooth and comfortable drive at higher frequencies. The technology especially comes to the fore when taking on dynamic snaking roads and, at the other end of the driving spectrum, when encountering pothole-ridden lanes and uncomfortable cobblestones. The EV6 also features the world's first mass-produced integrated drive axle that integrates the wheel bearing and the drive shaft into one part that transmits the motor power to the wheel. This integration prevents defects occurring in the drive shaft and wheel bearing connections, while improving ride and handling through an increase in axle stiffness. Equipped with high-tech 430 kilowatts dual motors, the EV6 GT takes electric performance to another level. The EV6 GT is available exclusively with the long-range 77.4 kilowatt-hours battery pack. With a maximum torque output of 546 pound-feet, the EV6 GT accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in an eye-watering 3.5 seconds and can reach an expected top speed of 162 miles per hour. The addition of an electronic limited slip differential adds to the EV6 GT's alluring appeal. The emphasis on offering a sporty and performance-oriented drive extends throughout the EV6 family, and it is not just limited to the range-topping EV6 model. The EV6 lineup offers buyers a choice of multiple fully electric zero-emission powertrain configurations, including long-range 77.4 kilowatt-hours and standard-range 58.0 kilowatt-hours high-voltage battery packs. The two-wheel drive 77.4 kilowatt-hours model can travel up to 328 miles on a single charge on the WLTP combined cycle. With a maximum 446 pound-feet of torque available on the all-wheel drive version, this EV6 variant can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 5.2 seconds. The 77.4 kilowatt-hours battery pack is paired with a 168 kilowatts electric motor powering the rear wheels, and for all-wheel drive EV6 derivatives, two electric motors powering the front and rear axles produce a total of 239 kilowatts 320 horsepower. The 58 kilowatt-hours EV6 can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in an impressive 6.2 seconds, with a maximum 446 pound-feet of torque output available on the all-wheel drive version. The 58 kilowatt-hours battery pack is paired with a 125 kilowatts electric motor powering the rear wheels. All-wheel drive models feature two electric motors powering the front and rear axles, producing a combined 173 kilowatts 231 horsepower. The EV6 will indicate when its charge is low, and using dynamic POIs and real-time availability status, the driver will be guided to the nearest charging station using the onboard navigation system. The EV6 offers 800-volt and 400-volt charging capabilities without the need for additional components or adapters. The car is capable of a high-speed charge from 10 to 80% in just 18 minutes on all variations, or a top-up charge of 100 kilometers of driving range in less than 4.5 minutes, when pairing the two-wheel drive model with the 77.4 kilowatt-hour battery option. The car's charging system is more flexible than previous generation battery electric vehicles thanks to an integrated charging control unit. The charging control enables a new vehicle-to-load function, which is capable of discharging up to 3.6 kilowatts of power from the vehicle battery via a simple adapter that turns the exterior charging plug into a power socket. The adapter plug will be market-specific, enabling EV6 to help charge anything from external domestic appliances to other electric vehicles. As an example, the vehicle-to-load function can operate a 55-inch television and air conditioner simultaneously for more than 24 hours. Inside the cabin, a handy charging port located under the rear seats allows passengers to charge devices from the vehicle's battery without the need for additional adapters. Furthermore, the EV6 is designed to tow up to 3,527 pounds when equipped with the 77.4 kilowatt-hours battery both in rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations. For customers who opt for the 58 kilowatt-hours battery, the EV6 offers up to 1,653 pounds of towing capacity. Whichever option is chosen, the EV6 provides strong electric vehicle performance for zero-emission trips away with the family. The utility mode allows important systems to continue operating when the vehicle is turned off. When in utility mode, the high-voltage battery powers the air conditioning, lights and infotainment system without any risk of draining the 12-volt battery. The EV6 is fitted with energy recuperation technologies to maximize driving range. This includes Kia's latest generation energy-efficient heat pump, which scavenges waste heat from the car's coolant system. This ensures that at -7 degrees Celsius, the car can achieve 80% of the range that would be possible at 25 degrees Celsius. Also featured is the latest generation of Kia's smart regenerative braking system, which is operated by paddle shifters behind the steering wheel, so drivers can quickly and easily slow the car and recuperate kinetic energy to maximize driving range and efficiency. Drivers can choose from 6 regenerative braking levels, depending on the desired level of energy recuperation. The system's iPedal driving mode also allows the car to harvest a maximum amount of energy from its brakes and enables the driver to bring the car to a gentle halt without needing to push the brake pedal. Designed to deliver something different in the crossover class, the GT version of the EV6 offers a distinctive, impactful exterior with high-tech features, as well as unprecedented levels of performance from a Kia electric vehicle. At the front, Kia's tiger face has been reinterpreted for the digital era. Forming part of this digital tiger face, daytime running lights display a sleek modern appearance and include a sequential dynamic light pattern. Below this, a low air intake visually widens the front of the car, accentuating its high-tech image. The side profile displays a crossover-inspired silhouette, which is modern, sleek and aerodynamic. A character line runs along the bottom of the doors, curving upwards towards the rear wheel arches to visually elongate the profile of the car. Designed in part to realize ultimate aerodynamic performance, the rear displays a sloping C-pillar with an integrated black glossy insert which appears to extend the window glass. Above this sits a prominent wing-type roof spoiler that channels air downwards towards a raised lower spoiler, which sits atop the car's unique rear light cluster. A distinct product of the electric vehicle era, the interior design benefits greatly from the application of Kia's dedicated electric global modular platform. Despite the EV6's compact exterior dimensions, its 114 inches wheelbase results in a cabin space similar to many mid-size SUVs. One of the most striking elements is a seamless high-tech curved infotainment screen. The simple form language of the widescreen and dashboard gives the interior an open feel. Front passengers are greeted by a lean, minimalist dashboard architecture that emphasizes the cabin's remarkable sense of space. With no need to house a central transmission tunnel, the EV6's flat floor provides rear seat passengers with 39-inch of legroom for exceptional comfort. An innovative new heating, ventilation and air conditioning system further enhances front passenger comfort and interior space. By incorporating an heating, ventilation and air conditioning architecture that is split between the inside and outside of the cabin, the size of the interior portion of the heating, ventilation and air conditioning system is reduced by 55%. This optimal layout helps ensure a slimmer cockpit design and more space for front seat passengers, all while securing optimal cooling performance. Special relaxation seats enable the driver and front passenger to relax in supreme comfort and luxury when the EV6 is parked or charging. At the touch of a button, the seats will lift and recline, optimizing posture and body pressure distribution, while allowing occupants to stretch out, read a book, or get some sleep. Their lightweight, slimline designs further enhance the EV6's interior space. Premium materials are used throughout the EV6's cabin for a welcoming feel, while their selection has also been chosen for utmost durability. Sustainable materials have been used, from vegan leather trims to seat fabrics and floor carpet made using recycled plastics, equivalent to 111 plastic 500 ml water bottles. All of the EV6's primary controls are located within easy reach of the driver for an intuitive driving experience. The vehicle's space-saving shift-by-wire selector is conveniently placed alongside the EV6's starter button on the center console, while the sleek steering wheel integrates key ADAS switches for maximum operability. Touch-type control switches for the EV6's heated steering wheel and ventilated and heated seats are also within easy reach for optimal user convenience. The EV6 offers intelligent and flexible interior packaging and an abundance of cabin storage areas, including up to 18.3 cubic feet of boot space with the second row seats in place. With the second row seats folded down, stowage capacity increases to approximately 46 cubic feet. The car also features a front trunk which provides up to an additional 1.8 cubic feet of storage space for two-wheel drive models and 20 liters for all-wheel drive models. Sound absorption materials in the floor, wheel arches, doors, tailgate and tires reduce road and wind noise, creating a quiet and serene space for all occupants. An acoustic windscreen and door glass further improve the onboard experience, giving the EV6 a sound rating equal to higher-class premium models. EV6 introduces a suite of technologies that enhance safety, connectivity, and infotainment. They are designed to make traveling safer, easier and less stressful. The high-tech infotainment system includes two curved 12.3-inch high-definition widescreens, which have thin film panels that utilize new structures and advanced technology for reducing the impact of light. The cluster and infotainment system are connected, as if they were wrapped around one body with reinforced glass. Directly in front of the driver is a customizable cluster screen which displays information such as speed, remaining all-electric range and state of charge. Adjacent is a central display screen combining the navigation, infotainment and menu systems. This pair of frameless screens feature light-reducing film and auto-bright functions to make visibility easy in all light conditions. Advanced onboard tech smoothly integrates the driver and EV6 via the advanced head-up display system with augmented reality technology, an offering normally reserved for premium brands. Seamless communication between GPS, the onboard camera and head-up display systems project turn-by-turn directions 24.6 feet on the road ahead to keep the driver looking forward at all times. The augmented reality display and the two screens provide all the information the driver needs to have a pleasant and inspiring drive without having to look elsewhere. The powerful 14-speaker Meridian surround audio system is also available, a first for a Kia battery electric vehicle, delivering a truly immersive sound experience. The 14-speaker audio system has been engineered by the experts at Meridian and features several of the British audio pioneers' proprietary digital signal processing technologies. Meridian's core sound philosophy has been integrated into the EV6, allowing customers to enjoy natural, lifelike and authentic audio on the move. The speaker system also offers active sound design, a newly developed feature by Kia which provides drivers with audible feedback to the speed that the car is traveling and controlled via a user interface. To ensure safety and convenience out on the motorway, EV6 features Kia's latest highway driving assist with lane change support package. Using radars located around the vehicle, the system can help the driver to maintain a set distance and speed from the vehicle ahead, while lane following assist technology centers the vehicle in its lane. Using navigation-based smart cruise control with curve control, the system can reduce the vehicle speed through curves and reset the speed once conditions allow. In case of an adjacent vehicle driving in close proximity, highway driving assists by adjusting the EV6's path, avoiding any possible risk of collision. Changing lanes is also now easier than ever. With the driver's hands on the steering wheel and above a certain speed, a click of the indicator stalk will automatically move the car into the corresponding lane. The EV6 features blind spot view monitor and blind spot collision avoidance assist systems to ensure lane changes are made safely every time. Blind spot view monitor acts as a second pair of eyes by eliminating the driver's left and right-hand side blind spots by displaying a high-definition view within the EV6's fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster. Blind spot collision avoidance assist uses radar sensors to warn the driver of approaching vehicles, with the system activating the brakes if there's a risk of a collision during lane change maneuvers. Safely navigating junctions, particularly those that feature multiple lanes, can often be a stressful experience for many drivers. Kia's forward collision avoidance assist system now includes junction turning and junction crossing functions, aimed at providing maximum preventative safety when navigating junctions. If the EV6's turn signal is activated, the system will warn the driver if there is a collision risk with an oncoming vehicle. Similarly, a warning is provided if there is a risk from vehicles approaching from the left or right when the driver is traveling straight across a junction. If either risk increases, the system will warn the driver and automatically apply the brakes to avoid a collision. Key to a vehicle's safety is the ability to see and be seen. To provide the very best levels of illumination, the Kia EV6 features the new intelligent front lighting system, a technology that enables each LED to light independently to deliver a precise lighting experience. Intelligent front lighting system allows the driver to travel with a permanent high beam without any risk of dazzling oncoming traffic. A front view camera featuring vehicle recognition technology automatically dims or brightens each individual LED, enhancing the driver's forward vision while protecting oncoming traffic from glare in real time. Driver attention warning and intelligent speed limit assist add to the ADAS systems, keeping the driver safe on the road. Driver attention warning determines the driver's attention level by analyzing their driving pattern and time on the road. The system will recommend a brake via a warning message on the cluster display when the driver's attention level falls below 1 on the 5-point scale. Intelligent speed limit assist reads road signs and navigation system information to inform the driver of the current speed limit and other key driving information. When activated, Intelligent Speed Limit Assist will use a visual and audible warning to alert the driver to a change in road conditions. Kia started accepting EV6 reservations in the USA with a first edition limited to 1,500 units on June 3, 2021. However, an unprecedented surge of traffic on the reservation website created technical difficulties, so the company closed it. On June 8, 2021, the company reopened pre-orders, and the same day, it completed receiving all 1,500 pre-orders. First edition designation and numbered interior badge are two more distinctive features of the first edition, which will carry the standard design, not the sportier design of the more GT variant. The first edition offered a unique opportunity to standard design EV6 buyers to specify their unit in the steel gray matte color. There was one more exterior color option for the special edition model, called Glacier. The units configured in Glacier will have dark green seats, and the other units will feature black seats. The long-range 77.4 kWh battery and 313 horsepower dual-motor powertrain will be standard in the EV6 first edition,